Rina from Rina Art. This painting that I'm painting on, it's speeded up, but it was one of the duds. You know, there are lots of paintings that you start. Not everything is a masterpiece or becomes a painting. Some fail, and I put them away, and this is one of the ones that I picked up to see if I can finish it. So here I'm using colors that I had on my palette. It's yellow, green, pink, light pink, lilac colors, maybe mainly spring colors. And just going over it and trying to see if I can make the painting work. The color that I'm going to use, it's Payne's Gray, and I add dab onto my painting to create basically a flower or a pattern that looks like a tree or a bush. I like using my old brushes a lot. That's one of my favorite tools to use is old brushes because they have beautiful texture. And hope you're enjoying this. Again, this is butter yellow that I'm using. It's just light, lots of white with a little bit of Indian yellow. And the reason why I like to use white and Indian yellow is one of my favorite colors, along with fluorescent magenta, and it just gives a great illusion of bright, but even when it's whited down, buttery yellow, it's a brighter yellow than any other yellow that I've come across. So if you like this video, subscribe and follow me along. And if you would like to learn to paint with me and to paint with, I have workshops, online workshops that are standalone. You can paint at your own pace. I have a couple of them right now. One is with 3 paintings, start to finish, and other is just one floral painting that you do, and there are lots of bonuses on both ones. You can go to my description below and you will find the link to the workshop. Sign up. Hope to see you there. Thank you.